peeps, it's Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be answering a grade 7 natural sciences question taken from the Herzia Middle School June 2016 exam paper. So let's have a look. We're going to be answering question 3 in that exam paper, and it's sort of like playing a mix and match game. What we need to do here is match the phrases in column A with the words or phrases given in column B. So I find it helps actually to read what are the possible answers and the possible questions so that you have it at the back of your mind what could match with what. Okay, so we'll go through that together. Let's have a look at question 3.1. A mixture that consists of a solid dissolved in a liquid. So the possible answers are copper, can't be copper, conductivity, glass, filtration, solute, chromatography, solution, solvent, flexibility, distillation, insoluble, hand sorting, and iron. So let's keep all of those possible answers right at the tip of our tongues while we go through each of the phrases in column A. Okay, so we said a mixture that consists of a solid dissolves in a liquid. This is a solution. So we'll write our answer in this first column under answer, and therefore the answer would be G, because that is where we find this solution matches with that 3.1. Okay, now let's have a look at 3.2. The ability for a material to bend. This is known as flexibility. So again, we write our answer in the correct column. Okay, I. 3.3. A solid that does not dissolve in a liquid is said to be insoluble. So K becomes the answer that we're looking for there. Okay, a method of separating pigments. This is, of course, chromatography, and therefore the answer we're looking for is F. Okay, 3.5. Separation of mixtures involving evaporation and condensation is known as distillation. So our answer that we write in there is J. Distillation is the process of separating mixtures, like it says there, involving heating and cooling of the substances. Okay. 3.6. A substance that is magnetic is iron. Iron is a magnetic metal, and every metal or alloy that contains iron in it would also be magnetic. So our answer that we're looking for there is M. Alright, let's see. 3.7 reads substance that is a poor conductor of heat. Of all the answers that we have here, glass is the correct one. Glass is an insulator. So you might find thermos flasks that are lined with glass on the inside, for example, because it is a poor conductor of heat. It keeps hot things hot and cold things cold in a thermos flask, for instance. So the answer we're going to put there is C. Okay, 3.8. Material used in electrical appliances due to its electrical conductivity. This is copper. Copper is a very good conductor of electricity. You'd find it in, for example, electrical cables directing electricity to your home and so on. So the answer we want there is A. Okay, 2 more to go. 3.9. A method to separate beans from sugar. This would be hand sorting. You can hand sort beans from sugar because beans are big. You can simply pick them out of that mix. Okay, so hand sorting is the answer we're looking for, L. And then finally 3.10 or 3.10. A liquid in which a solid dissolves. This is known as a solvent. Okay, the solvent is the liquid in which the solid dissolves, and the solute, if you look at E here, is the substance that dissolves in the solvent. Okay, so that's why E is not the correct answer. Okay, so that's that for question 3 of this question paper. But before I go, I'd like to send a quick shout out to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Please read about them and more about us in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, Send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.